Now, after we have installed our web application in Solaris Zones, we want to know how much resources it uses. We have our favorite tool for that. It's called ZoneStat. And here we use it in the most simple manner. ZoneStat 5 means we are going to collect the data each 5 seconds. After we started this tool, let's go to our blog application and do some activity, like post a comment to this blog post. And then switch back to your terminal window and compare the numbers. You see that WebZone utilization goes up to 27%, and DBZone goes up to 3%, and then immediately they went down because it was just one transaction. So ZoneStat is a great tool, but sometimes we need something more graphical. In this exercise, we're going to install and package a tool which uses GNUplot to chart ZoneStat output. And to do that, we need a couple of scripts to download from internet. And then we're going to create a package out of those scripts. First of all, create a prototype directory to store our scripts, and then we are going to generate a prototype manifest for our package. We use package send command and we generate this prototype manifest. Take a look at this. You see we have two entries which start with directories, and usually we don't need them. So open your VI editor and delete these two lines. And take a look at the resulting manifest. Then we have to add some package metadata to this file, like package name, package description, and so on and so forth. Again, open your VI editor and add these parameters to the file. We will call our utility ZonePlot, as it uses ZoneStat together with GNUplot. Again, I will shorten the video here and I will show you just the resulting file. Take a look at this. We have a package name, we have package summary, we have package description, and package classification. Then we have to generate some dependencies, and we have a great tool in Solaris, package depend, which can figure out what we need to run this package. Take a look at this. This package depend tool already figured out that we need packages like Perl and Bash to run these scripts. And if you take a look at fMRI field, we have TBD, which means to be defined. And to figure out which packages we need to have Bash and Perl installed, we run the same tool, package depend, but with resolve command. And now you can take a look at this and you see that it successfully resolved that we need these Perl and Bash packages, and it figured out their fMRI names. Now we have to add GNUplot package, and first of all we have to figure out GNUplot's fMRI name. And here you are. We use package search, and we figured out the fMRI for GNUplot. And now we have to add this line to our dependencies. And we just copy the previous line and edit it and enter our GNUplot fMRI name. Okay, so far so good. We entered our dependencies, and to run this package we need Perl, Bash, and gnuplot. What's next? Now we have to create a repository. We create a separate file system using ZFS, and we mount this file system at /repository. Then we use package repo and we create our repository. And then we set the repository name, which will be called zoneplot, as soon as it's going to hold only one package called zoneplot. And now we can publish our package onto that repository. Take a look at this. If we go and look for the information about this repository, we see that it contains only one package, and the package name is zoneplot, and the update date is just recently. If you use package info command on this repository using this package name zoneplot, then you will see all the metadata you just entered: summary, description, and other parameters. And now to use this repository, we have to add this repository to the list of repositories we are going to use. We use package set publisher command, and we add this repository to the existing one, which is called Solaris. Take a look at this. Now we have two active repositories. One is called Solaris, and we will be accessing oracle.com for that. And another is called zoneplot, and we are going to use our local repository installed in our file system. And now it's time to install our package, our zoneplot utility. Now you can watch this typical package installation process. Creating a plan, checking if it's necessary to install this package in other zones, and so on and so forth. Just watch it step by step. It's interesting to see that we have to install a couple of additional packages like gnuplot, which was not installed, and other necessary packages to run our utility because of their dependencies. You can watch here what packages are being installed. And then again, package install checks so-called linked images, which are our zones, DB zone and web zone, and checks if it's necessary to install this package into those zones. Okay, after we have installed zoneplot, let's try to use it. First, go and open another terminal window, and at the prompt type zoneplot. You will see that it will open a gnuplot window with 3 lines. Red line is for the global zone, green line is for web zone, and blue line is for the database zone. Then go to your web browser and enter a comment to the existing post and watch the spikes on the chart for the web zone and database zone. You see currently they are close to the zero, but after you press post comment, you will see a couple of spikes on both web zone and database zone. And we can try it again. And see another spike in the workload. Also, you can try to reload the page and see that another workload increase. Okay, in this lab, we have completed 2 tasks. First, we learned how to watch and observe zone resources using zone stat or zone plot using graphical interface. And also we have learned how to create your own package, how to create your own repository, and how to publish your package into your repository. So this is the end of the 3rd hands-on lab. Thank you.